Hi there. Today we're going to talk about the CCNA certification, what it is, why it's important, and how it can benefit your career or business. First, let's start with the basics. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It's a certification program offered by Cisco, one of the largest networking equipment manufacturers in the world. The CCNA certification is designed to validate your skills and knowledge in networking, including network design, installation, configuration, and troubleshooting. So, why is the CCNA certification important? Well, for one, it's a globally recognized certification that demonstrates your expertise in networking. It shows employers that you have the skills and knowledge needed to design, install, and manage complex network systems. Additionally, the demand for skilled network professionals is increasing, and having a CCNA certification can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Now, let's talk about the pathway to earning a CCNA certification. The certification program consists of 2 exams: the CCNA 200-301 exam and a concentration exam of your choice. The CCNA 200-301 exam covers the fundamentals of networking, including network architecture, security, automation, and more. The concentration exams cover more specialized topics, such as wireless networking, security, or data center networking. Once you pass both exams, you'll earn your CCNA certification. And, if you want to further advance your career in networking, you can continue on to earn higher-level certifications such as the CCNP or CCIE. So, what kind of job opportunities are available for those with a CCNA certification? Well, there are many different roles within the networking field that can benefit from a CCNA certification, including network administrator, network engineer, systems engineer, and more. And, as I mentioned earlier, the demand for skilled networking professionals is increasing, so there are plenty of job opportunities available. Finally, let's talk about how the CCNA certification can benefit your business. If you run a business that relies on networking, having employees with CCNA certifications can help ensure that your network systems are designed and managed effectively. This can lead to increased efficiency, productivity, and security for your business. Overall, earning a CCNA certification is a great way to demonstrate your expertise in networking, advance your career, and benefit your business. If you're interested in pursuing a career in networking, or if you want to enhance your existing networking skills, the CCNA certification is definitely worth considering.